I'm Mahta, Customer Success Specialist at Layers. In this video, I will talk about what shipping basically means in Layers, how to add and support different regions or limit your area of service, and how you can define different pricing methods. In checkout page, after your customer choose their preferred address, they can define different shipping methods for it. Shipping in Layers means different ways in which you deliver products to your customers. To define a shipping method, go to layers.app/admin/settings and select shipping. Here you have to click on Add New Region. The first thing you have to fill is the destination section. Type the name of this shipping region here. Note that this is only for your own convenience and it will not be visible to your customers. Next is the region area. In this part, you should specify the countries that you support this shipping service and limit your customers' options based on the country and city of their shipping address. When you click on the Add icon, you can select different regions and cities which appear instantly by clicking on them. Now you have to define the pricing method for the defined shipping region. You can either choose free shipping or flat rate. Then name the delivery option you offer in this field that will be visible for your customers. Now type the estimated time that the customer can receive the product. For example, 12 days or 72 hours. Don't forget to add hours or days or any other units you have in mind for this section. This part is visible for your clients and helps them choose their preferred shipping method. In flat rate, you should type the exact fixed amount you have in mind for shipping in that defined region. Also, remember that you can add and define as many regions as you want in Layers. In Pickup section, you provide your customers with Deliver in Person option. They can choose the pickup address and pick up the printed items and the defined address. Here you can adjust the times in which you can provide your customers with the service. To set up in-person visits, click on each location. Locations that appear here are the same as the ones you entered on the location page. Afterward, you can add your intended time and date here. You can delete the adjusted time by right-clicking on them. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to watch the How to Manage Location and Layers video.